Hi, this is Ife of Ife360 TV, and I haven't said this in a while. Yeah. So today I'm going to talk about the consistency in your hair care. Consistency, whether you're doing Ayurveda or not, but this year, the 1 year of Ayurveda challenge, this is what we're doing. We're doing 1 year of testing out, well, not testing out, but trying out DIY Ayurveda recipes or techniques, and we want to use this year, well, we started December 1st, 2017, and we are using this year to explore Ayurveda and see what it's all about, because I just wanted to have an idea as to what Ayurveda is, like what it can do for your hair and what it can do for my hair, more or less. If you like my videos, you have to hit subscribe, because that's the only way to find out when I post a new video for this 1 year of Ayurveda challenge. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. And I'm just sharing a journey with you, and a lot of you have decided to join me on this journey, and today I want to talk about consistency, because even though I'm sharing so many of these recipes, I know some of you are like, so how do I incorporate all of these million things that Ife is introducing to us in my hair care? Now I want you to remember, I am trying some of these things in video, but I'm not doing all of them all the time every single week, because it's impossible to do that. But what I want you to do is, if you do find something that is working for you, or you found that your hair responded really well, continue to do it. Be consistent with it, and that is the only way to see the results that you want for your hair. For example, I want to talk about when I use the fenugreek, when I reuse the fenugreek or recycle the fenugreek seeds, and y'all, that, even though I tried it recently, like that, I have been consistently hitting that every single week. And yes, I have to show you a new regimen with my full process on how I use the certain things that I have tried out so far. Obviously, as I said, I don't use everything, and I cannot use everything. So, but you see that fenugreek? The fenugreek seeds that were left over from our fenugreek oil growth recipe, or growth oil recipe, those seeds were left over, and quite a few of you have been telling me that you have been throwing away the seeds. And I was saying, there is no way that we are going to continue this year of Ayurveda throwing away things, because I don't want you to be wasting money. I don't want you to be wasting ingredients. I want you to be able to see that, hair care, natural hair care especially, it doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be something where it's like you feel as though you're throwing away or you're wasting ingredients. And I want us to conserve our money and put it, you know, use it wisely. All right, I have been using this fenugreek mask so consistently, like every week. So I've probably used it about 6 times without fail, and that means every week, so 6 weeks. And I have seen such a huge difference in the health of my hair from just using those ingredients alone. Loving the ends. I feel as though I don't have to cut them at all anytime soon. And just the bounce and the shine. And this, it's like, it's as if I found a gold mine, but it's a fenugreek mine. You know what I mean? I would not have seen those results if I was not using the fenugreek. When I say consistently, like if you find something, if it's the aloe vera spritz, or if it's the egg wash that I started to use again, and I use it consistently too, henna treatments, whatever it is that you find or figure out for your hair, or if it's the hibiscus mask, use those opportunities to try it out for a while, especially if you see, oh, hey, you know what, I tried it for a little bit, and you know what, I liked it, so why not keep doing it? And when I say consistently, you have to be doing it at least every week for a few months, and at least 3 months. And when you see working, keep doing it, keep using it. Even the fenugreek spritz that I've introduced you all to, the fenugreek spritz that I used a long time, that I made a long while ago, where it was just fenugreek seeds that you soaked in water and you use it in your hair regularly. I revamped that fenugreek spritz, and now I've added that with aloe vera juice and some MSM. You don't have to use the MSM powder in it. You can just use the aloe vera juice. So these things, if you're doing a tea rinse after your wash, these are things that I want you to do consistently. I know it cannot be just a one-time use and be like, okay, I'm done, I've used it, I don't see any results. Of course not, because you only use it once. Or you might see results once and be like, oh, my hair is, it's just fine now. I don't need to use it anymore. So for example, the fenugreek spritz, some of you may have used it once and you would have seen results literally after that one use. And some of you may feel, okay, well, I don't need to use it anymore. That's not true. You actually have to continue using these things for a long period of time. Now, obviously, you want to observe your hair for changes. So if your hair is starting to respond differently after using something for a long time, take a break, take note of it, and try something else, and then use that consistently as well if you find it is working for you. I want to know from you, what is a must-have in your hair regimen every single week? Post in the comments below. It's really about building habits around your hair care that make your hair care seamless, easy, enjoyable, and something that you can pass on to the younger generation, because I really want these techniques that I use, I want it to be things that we can pass on to our nieces, our nephews, our kids, our girls, our daughters, even pass on to the generation that have not been using natural hair care. So our parents, our grandparents, even my mom, I taught her about the fenugreek spritz and she uses it once in a while. I don't know if she's using it consistently, but you know what I mean, you can't force anyone to do anything. It's about sharing